good morning, man. Get it? I said, cousin, say good morning.
Yeah, I'm snitching, yes, because, okay, y'all see it's dusty, but I came out here to sit down and watch my husband clean the car, but so all of a sudden got me cleaning, so I'm dusting. Where they do that at? No dust. All clean now. Okay, you guys, so as y'all know, today is Saturday, which, yeah, I probably didn't know, but if I didn't say anything, happy Saturday to you guys. And baby, y'all have to look over me today because my allergies are killing me, okay? And when I say killing me, I do mean killing me. This eye here, it feels like somebody just poured pepper all in my face. So I took husband to get him some chicken from Church's because your girl ain't cooking today. And I got me a refresher from Dunkin'. And I'm in the bed today. I'm not doing much. I didn't record much today, except for when I had to run some errands out today. I had to get some stuff and got our grandbaby some things. And I got me a grilled cheese toast from Dunkin'. And I will show y'all what that looks like. Matter of fact, me and Adara went to Once Upon a Child. I wanted to see if I can show y'all those things, but I think she probably already washed them. because she's not here. I need to check with her and see. So, but I'm gonna show y'all my grilled cheese toast. But yeah, y'all let me know how your Saturday is going so far. My husband washed my car. He washed theirs. He washed all our cars. He washed our oldest daughter's car, and he washed theirs. He washed mine's. And I got up this morning, and I just been here at the house. Me and Danny been watching, or we were earlier today. We were watching the Spiderwick Chronicles, the series. I had her watching a little bit of that with me, and then she had me watching a few little TikToks with her. So that's what we was doing. And I might wind up taking me a nap because I took me 3 Benadryl. It's all right in here, especially this eye, like I told y'all, but like all in here. And for some reason, like right down here by my face, it always itches all the time. It drives me insane. Insane. But let me show y'all my grilled cheese, and I will talk to y'all later.
Actually think of me as less than you. Just wish that I knew how something like that could happen. Maybe it's just in passing, 'cause nothing is everlasting, no.
Good morning, La Familia. So if y'all hear some noise in the back, it's my washer. I just wanted to show y'all my quick grocery haul. It's a little small grocery haul because I needed some stuff that I'm making for breakfast this morning and what I'm making for dinner. So I picked up some meatloaf seasoning mix because I'm making some meatloaf for dinner. As I prep for breakfast, I'm gonna prep that and get that together. Got some cheese for our breakfast this morning. Got some mozzarella steak, marinade mix. Sorry, you guys. I got 2 of those for the steak. And I got some sour cream and creamy ranch dip. I'm gonna try that later. Got me some orange juice for this morning. They had Randall's had bread, 2 loaves for $1.99. I picked up some mashed potatoes for today. We're gonna have the Wisconsin cheddar mashed potatoes. And I picked up some Miss Tabitha Brown's burger business. I wanna try that. And I also picked up the saute bits. Picked up some panko breadcrumbs for my molding of my meatloaf. Got some bagels for our breakfast this morning for what I'm going to make. I'm going to tell y'all what I'm going to make. Some Crisco because we were out. I got some ground beef for my meatloaf. I'm going to do ground beef today instead of ground turkey. I got some steak here. It's pork shoulder steak bone. They say we buy 1, get 2 free. And my husband only picked up 1 because he's supposed to pick up 2. He cheated us. God dog it. And this one is buy 1, get 1 free. This is the steak I'm making. And I picked up some neck bones. I'm sorry, y'all. I just had a brain freeze because he got 1, but he didn't get the other one. So you may have to go back and get it. Hey guys, so I got my steak currently cooking. I'm about to turn the meat over. I'm gonna make some steak bagel, egg and cheese. So this is what I'm making for breakfast this morning. I had a taste. I saw that on a commercial from McDonald's saying that there's steak bagel, egg and cheese is back. So I was like, well, I can maybe try to incorporate and make my own this morning for breakfast. So I saw it last night, and so I was like, you know what, that's what I have a taste for. So this is what I'm making right now. I got my steaks cooking, I got it seasoned, and then as they cook, I'm going to prep my meatloaf. I'm sorry, y'all, I just keep having brain freezes, child. Hey, y'all. So I'm getting ready to prep my ground beef. Break it up. Got my steaks cooking on the stove over here. So my husband, we haven't had a meatloaf in a while, so I decided to make a meatloaf. I have to get my seasonings. But today I don't really have much going on, you guys, because it's a very rainy, stormy day here. I woke up this morning and I took me a good old bubble bath, did me a facial, and just relaxed this morning. My body feels really good, and cause y'all know I was telling y'all I had those real bad allergies, right? So I was just like, I'm gonna get up and do me a facial. Hold on, let me turn my steak over. And so like I was saying, I decided to get up and cook us some breakfast. We had to run by the store because what I wanted to make, we didn't have those certain ingredients. So I'm going to prep my meatloaf. Got my oven already preheated, and I'm gonna get my meat seasoned up real good, chop up my onions. I'm gonna use my new mini chopper that I have so I can chop up my bell pepper and onion. And I'm gonna do some tidying up around the house here. Not too much, but just to wipe off the cocktail table where there's fingerprints and stuff, and then the kitchen table, just clean it up. And that's basically it, you guys, because I don't have much going on. So, because I'm tired and I just kind of want to relax today, but I did want to come on and bring y'all a little something to watch. So I hope you guys are enjoying the vlog so far. If you are, place a rainbow. Okay, because you know after the storm it's always a rainbow, so place a rainbow in the comments. Guys, so I'm getting ready to prep my meatloaf now. Yes, my hands are clean, so I'm just letting y'all know that I do not have no gloves, but I'm getting ready to season my meat, and that's just how I'm getting ready to do it, because my mama, when she made her meatloaf, that's how she did it. So all right, got some some garlic powder that I'm getting ready to season with. I'm gonna place the meatloaf seasoning pack in there. Just gonna dump all of it. Sorry. I'm gonna put a little bit of accent. Just a little bit, not too much. I'm gonna put a little bit of Lawry's, but not too much Lawry's, because the accent is already salty. I'm gonna put some pepper. Okay. I have a little bit of Worcestershire sauce left, so I'm just gonna go and just pour that whole thing in there. And I'm gonna also put a little bit of A1 steak sauce, not too much, just, come on. Just a little bit. I'm gonna put some onion powder. Okay. Got some garlic that I'm gonna put in here. Okay. So got a tablespoon. Just gonna put just that much garlic butter. Garlic. It's really strong. Ooh. Real strong. Okay, I have 2 eggs. I'm gonna put in there, and my panko bread. Now I'm about to put just a little bit of the panko bread in there, just enough to mold your meatloaf. So this is how it looks. If you can smell your meatloaf, like the seasonings, that's when you know that it is gonna be good, baby. Okay? So you wanna get in there real good. Mix all that up together. Because you want the seasonings and everything. So I'm gonna chop up my bell pepper and onion, so I'm gonna make sure but I just wanted to kind of mix this up real quick. Okay, so this is my egg. I'm going to cut it up so it can sit on the bagel because I'm going to place the whole bagel, steak and egg and cheese in the air fryer and let it cook some more. Breakfast, you guys. Steak, egg, steak, egg, and cheese, a bagel, and some orange juice. And I have some grape jelly on there. So as you can see, cheese is melted. So husband's gonna be good and full until dinner time. Here you go. Is it good?
Yeah.
Is it good?
Yep.
I'm not here for you to blow your one and only chance. I'm not here to waste my time on yet another bad romance. Now I got hopes for us tonight, for this here thing to turn out right. So from the start, let's get this one thing clear. You should know you're looking at a self-made woman. You should know I got nothing for free in this life. None of us can know what's coming. So if you wanna be with me, baby, can't you see? You gotta make room for a self-made woman like me. You gotta make room for a self-made woman like me. Gotta make room for a self-made woman.
After all the cooking and everything I did just this morning, finished prepping that meatloaf, I'm gonna go lay down for a little bit. Then I'm gonna get up, wipe the tables down. I need to, because I've been up early, but I need to get up. I need to go take me a nap. So I'm gonna take me a nap. Once I regroup, I'm gonna get up, come back down here, do those things, because I have to check my meatloaf. I gotta make sure I set my timer so I know to check it, because I don't want it to burn. I'm gonna go take me a nap. 30 minutes is good enough for me, but I still need to go lay down. So I will pick the camera back up later, because it's going on 11:30 here. So maybe if I wake up about maybe 1 o'clock. I said 30 minutes, but I may take me almost an hour. We'll see, okay? So y'all let me know what y'all doing on this Sunday. It's very rainy and cloudy and stormy here, so there's not much going on in my neck of the woods. So I caught up on mostly everybody's videos on yesterday, so I was able to do that, and I was taking me good naps and everything. So I'm gonna go lay down now because I'm a little tired. I can feel it. I'm like, you know, needing some rest. So I'm gonna do that, and I will talk to you guys after a while. Really?
I guess I'll wash these dishes.
Oh, thank you, because man, my head is killing me.
Yeah, I see you sitting there now. Okay, then.
You ain't said hi to the family, y'all.
Hey, family, how y'all doing? How y'all doing, family? Hey, YouTube. Sunday evening. I had a blast with my grandbabies. My oldest granddaughter, she cooked breakfast yesterday. Me and King laughed and holler. The other two went to the car wash with me. So training them on how to start hustling, making them some change. But other than that, it was wonderful.